Every day as developers, we encounter code snippets in so many locations. And to make saving code even easier, we're introducing a new powerful tool that will level you up, Pieces for Chrome. With the Pieces for Chrome extension, we have brought your micro repo even closer to the places you discover code, making it seamless to save more context at the push of a button. Any snippet that you can save, you can also share. And in a single click, you can save a piece while we generate the link for you. And with our new V2 sharing system, you can view a snippet with all its context directly in your browser. You can discover more about your snippets faster and gather links without lifting a finger. Customize the look and feel of your Pieces extension and change the locations of buttons or change the entire style so it works best for you. There are endless snippets to discover. Start to save, share, and reuse snippets smarter with the Pieces for Chrome extension.